Back to another class of our course about the complete introduction to marketing with Instagram. So in today's class, we are going, well, in the past class we talked about how to create our Instagram account, and we talked about some basic features of Instagram. And in this class, what I want to do is basically do pretty much the same thing and talk about some other features of Instagram. So this is exactly what we're going to do today. So pretty simple. As always, this is the first page where we are. So basically, this is the page where we have our account. So basically, until now, you guys should have your profile picture already set it up. And what we're going to talk about today will be the followers on, well, followers versus following. We're going to talk about the main page, how to send messages, and basically stories and everything like this. So basically, just to understand pretty much how works Instagram. So basically on Instagram, what you will see followers versus followings. So what is important when you have your business account? Well, at first, it doesn't really matter if your following number is greater than your followers number. Once again, at first, when you're building up your account, but once it's built up, what you need to do is have always have more followers than followings. This gives, we can say that it gives a certain credibility to your account. So it makes your account more credible. When, for example, you see someone who follows 2,000 people but only has like 100 followings, you will not necessarily follow this account because it doesn't seem as interesting to follow as an account that has, for example, 2,000 followers versus only 100 followings. So basically, it's just a psychological trick. So what exactly are followers and followings? So basically, followers are all the people that are subscribed to your account and basically will view your post. So basically, if I make a post, there will be 600 people that will see my post. And if someone followings are all the people, all the accounts that I follow. So basically, if one of those 373 people is making a post, I will be able to see it on my main page. So basically, how to go on the main page is going to be just right here. So here, for example, I have posts of different people. I don't really know them because it's a business account. But once again, here I will have different posts of different people all over my Instagram. So this can be an example of a professional account. So 𝘀𝗵𝗿. So basically, this looks like a professional account. They sell backpacks. So here I have some other pictures as well. Once again, here all those people, I follow them, and each time that they will post something, I will be able to see it. Same thing for the stories. So basically, stories are small posts that people are making, and those posts will only last for 24 hours. So basically, you can find out your stories right there. If you're looking on Instagram on your cell phone, you will be able to find out your stories on your main page, but basically simply up of the main page. If you guys don't follow no one, so basically until now you follow no one, it's pretty normal. Usually if you guys want to follow someone, it's pretty simple. What I suggest you guys to do, you can find the suggested followers right here. So you can start following some people right there, or you can go over, basically here it's your messages. But on your cell phone, you have another feature where you will have access to a little bit more things, and you will be able to follow people right on that page, basically. Another way for you guys to basically get followers is following people that are in the same, basically in the same category as you. So basically, if you say, let's say, for example, you sell cakes, we can look for cakes, for example. And here, okay, we have 𝘀𝗁𝗍, which is, for example, a cake Instagram. So here you can see it's really popular. It has 155,000 followers and only following 600 people. So as you can see, it's a really popular page. And basically, if you guys are making cakes, for example, you can just click here and you can follow all the people right there. Once again, there is a little catch when you do this. Instagram will catch it, especially with new accounts. When you guys start to follow everybody, Instagram will catch it and will usually block you from doing more followings. But this is a good way to find out people who will be interested in your product. Once again, we're going to talk about this strategy a little bit later, but for now, just understand that it exists. So right now, when you guys are following someone, how to follow someone, it's pretty simple. You simply click on followers of someone. You can just click on follow, and there you go, you follow the person. Same thing for posts. So basically, if you guys are interested to, I don't know, like a certain post, so here we have posts of cake on this page. You can click on the post. So basically on your cell phone, it's pretty much the same thing at this point. So you can click on the post. If I want to like the post, I can just click on the button right here. So right now I liked the post. If I want to comment, leave a comment on the post, I can just write down a comment. So I can just write down comment, or very nice cake, and post. So right now my comment have been posted with other comments. Simply by doing this, I have posted my comment with the other comments that are right here. Here, as you can see, people are using hashtags. So there is a lot of hashtags. We're going to cover this topic a little bit later in the course as well. But just for you guys to understand that you can, for example, leave comments on posts. You can like posts. There's a lot of things that you guys can do with posts. Last thing that you guys can do, you can share a post. So let's say, for example, you find that out a nice post, we can share it. So I can, for example, click on this button and I can share it directly on my Instagram. I can share it on Messenger, I can share it on Facebook, I can share it on Twitter, I can share it whatever I want. I can do this with my personal posts, I can do this with my Instagram posts. So basically, if I click on share direct, I will be able to basically send this post to my contacts on Instagram. Right now I'm on a computer, so I have no contacts, but normally there is a little bit more contacts right here. So on your cell phone, it's pretty much the same button. You just click on that button and you will be able to share it with your contacts. So this is basically how it works. Last thing, if for example you want to save this post to check it later, so it could be, for example, you're seeing a nice video, you can just click on the button right here and you will be able to save this video. You will be able to check it in your saved video. So you just go on save, and here I have my cake that have been saved right there. So pretty simple to understand. So this is basically for posting and how to follow people, how to unfollow people. So right now you understand all those basics. So we're going to talk about different strategies that you guys can use to promote your business on Instagram. So right now what we have did is pretty simple. We find that out a page that has cakes. And basically we have people that are following this page. So basically what we're going to do right now, well, right now you know how all this works. Oh, one last thing, pretty important. So here, yeah, this is the page that I talked to you guys about. So basically the page where you have a little bit more news. And if you want to send messages, it's going to be right here. So on your Instagram, it's going to be right there. So you can write messages to whatever you want. You just click on send message and you select the account that you want to write to. So as you can see here, I have personally a problem, so I won't be able to write messages. But if you guys want to send a message to someone, you can automatically send it. It's no big deal. It should work pretty fine. All right, so right now you guys understand basically how all this works. So you understand that basically how to follow people, how to unfollow people. What is the concept of having a lot of followers versus not a lot of followers? So basically, as you can see, the account right here have 155,000 followers, which is pretty popular, and only 600 following. So basically this is a really, well, this is pretty good for an account to have those numbers. And as you can see, people are actually checking the account out. So there is 2,000 likes, 900 likes, 1,600 likes. So there is a lot of people who are checking out the account. There is a lot of people that are liking the page. So as you can see, people are pretty active on the page. An example of story, we can, for example, check out their stories. So as you can see, this is an example of story, and this will last for 24 hours and people will be able to check out this story. So it's pretty interesting. As you can see, this is really the basics of Instagram that I'm showing you right now. So pretty simple. Now you understand how, well, basically right now you have all the understandings of all the basic features of Instagram. You should have your Instagram already set it up. So basically with your profile picture. And next thing, you should have your first 2 pictures that are already uploaded. You can like those pictures, you can share those pictures, is up to you. You can also follow some few people, so you'll see if some people will follow you back. You will be able to see all this on this button right there. So it's the same thing on your cell phone. So as you can see, this is an old account that I'm using right now. The last person that have followed me, it's been 6 weeks ago, so it's been really a while. So here you will see all the activity that is happening on your account. So basically, if someone follows you, you will be able to see it right there. If someone likes your picture, you will be able to see it there as well. So right now, as I said, you have all the basic knowledge to be able to start out your Instagram, to create your profile, to post stories, to really follow, unfollow people. So it's pretty simple until now. So the next few steps in the course will really be to introduce you to marketing on Instagram and talking about different features that you guys can use to be able to use your Instagram to promote your brand. So that's it for this class, guys, and see you all in our next class.